So we've got beef and eggplant in a beautiful curry. We've got curry leaves in there, we've got tomatoes, we've got coconut milk, incredible spices. That really is delicious. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. So I've got my beef here, a little bit of fat on that, which I really love in this. I've got there 700 grams. Eggplant, I'm not cutting that yet because it will discolor. We're not using it till a bit later, but you can see the size of that. Nice big whopper. I've got here like 4 or 5 tomatoes that I've pureed in my machine. I've got some fresh curry leaves. If you can get these, they're wonderful. If not, try and get dried. 1 large onion chopped, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Here what I've got always called a big 4. So I've got 2 teaspoons of turmeric, chili, coriander and cumin powder. If you want, use yourself a nice curry powder that you already have. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 dried red chilies, fresh chilies. Now I'm using these guys today, not the small ones. These are a bit bigger, not as hot, but super tasty. And here I've got 200 ml of coconut milk. Let's get cooking. Okay, so I'm using this large wok. You're gonna need a saucepan or a large frying pan or something like that. And in here I've got some oil. I've got coconut oil in there. If you want, use mustard oil or any oil you like. Actually, you could use a sunflower or something like that. We're gonna start by dropping in our chili and our cumin seeds. And you need to just let them do their thing in this oil for a few seconds. They're really going to infuse it. Next up, we're going to drop in the curry leaves, which sometimes can be very noisy. Let's see. Now, I'm super lucky that where I am, curry leaves are in abundance. They're very, very cheap and easy to get hold of. But like I say, you might want to get some dried ones. We're now going to drop in our meat, in it goes. And we're on quite a high heat, as you can hear. And I want to go for about 4 to 5 minutes, stirring all the time, giving this meat a nice head start. So that's just 4 minutes in. We're now going to drop in our onion, cut nice and small, and to that I'm going to add some salt. Another 4 minutes on this high heat, keeping it moving. We're well on our way. It's going to be really, really good, this one. Okay, so that 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste is going to go in now. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. You can buy it in most stores these days. You can definitely get it online, or like us, you can make it yourself. We use loads of it here. I'm now going to go in with my eggplant, which I've cut now, and I've cut it nice and chunky. Nice big chunky pieces. And we're going to go for another 3 minutes only now. Again, staying on this high heat and stirring pretty much all the time. So just a few minutes there to get some loveliness on our eggplant. We're now going to drop in the pureed tomato. We're going to add our chilies. Like I say, I'm using these guys. That looks like an enormous amount, but it's actually not, because it's going to give it some heat, but they're not crazy hot, these ones. And then we're going to go what we'll call the big 4. Let's take one more look. 2 teaspoons of chili. I'm using the Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric, coriander, and cumin. In that goes. A nice mix. Stay on this high heat for 5 minutes now. We want to cook those tomatoes down, and we also might get a bit of more moisture from them. They might give off a bit of moisture. Absolutely wonderful. So this is looking absolutely perfect. Got a bit of moisture out of those tomatoes as they cook down. What we're going to do now is we're going to lower the heat to a simmer, nice little simmer. 200 ml coconut milk in there. Give that a little mix. The lid is going to go on this, and I'm going to let it go for about 20 or 25 minutes. You can give it a stir every now and then. Go and make yourself a cup of tea when you come back. This is going to be pretty much done. Okay, off goes the heat. Off comes the lid. Let me get some steam out of there for you. And that really is delicious. Really, really delicious. That meat's nice and tender. I just tasted a little bit of it. What we're going to do now is we're going to add some fresh cilantro or coriander. And to this one, I'm also adding fresh mint. That combo of the two is fantastic. And then one more little thing, we're going to put in a nice big pinch of garam masala powder. We're going to give it a mix, and that is fabulous. Check that for salt. For me, it's perfect. I'll see you at the table. Okay, there you go. That is super wonderful. Delicious with rice or with some bread, roti, chapati or paratha or something like that. I hope you enjoy that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.